another YouTuber.
Hello guys,
are
today we're
going
going to be collabing. Me, Climber89's collabing with...
Evan VR Vids.
Yay!
Except my second username is Evan VR.
Yay! Okay, so we will be going to the city. Come on, let's go.
Okay, bro. I feel like I can actually say the N word because like, I'm brown. But I'm not allowed to say it anyway. So let's not have any racist words in this, city. Like no F words, no nothing words. Okay.
So
And
what will we be doing?
Not even the N word.
What would we be doing?
Let's just like technically play a little. Like technically, we go to Monkey Block to build something, then break it. And then you pick the next map, and then I pick the next map, then you pick the map, until the video is over. Also, before we do this, make sure to like and subscribe to Climber GT and Evan VR Vids.
Yeah, be sure to like and subscribe to me.
Yeah, they're both really good.
And Evan.
And Evan, yeah. Yeah, we're really good, dudes, right?
Yeah, totally.
Also, be subscribe to each other too.
What is this? Oh yeah, I remember this.
Yours? Oh, wait. Did we used to play together?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, because I kind of remember this.
Yeah, I remember it. And
I kind of remember this.
The glitch still works, guys!
Oh, the glitch still works. Let's go, bro. Anyways, I'm just gonna build.
So I'm gonna show you guys this build. Oh wait, we're Emerald.
Let's build.
Let's build. What's it called again? Forest.
Let's build it.
Let's build forest.
I'm gonna be building a city. Woo! With
I'm gonna rebuild
all
the
of this.
Future forest.
Let's get to building.
Can you rebuild the future forest? Oh wait, I don't think you watched the video. Have you?
Nope.
Okay.
Never mind. I don't think there's enough parts.
Bro.
What?
Bro.
What?
Bro.
What?
I'm just gonna go to the. Do you wanna go check out our build in here? After.
Yeah, sure.
Also, I watched this video. He said, said, dude, they're not even motion heads. Like, what are you thinking? Why do you keep calling them motion heads? Yeah, that's what he said in the video. And sadly, he didn't put my cowboy hat in it. Anyways, I'm gonna try building now. What should I use? I don't know what to do. Okay, I'm gonna quickly turn off push to talk because it's too
hard to talk.
Yeah, it's hard.
That's what she said.
Yes, finally. Anyways, bro, do you want to do Squid Games after?
Well, that's okay. Let's build like a tiny home.
Let's do Squid Games after your.
Okay, I'm gonna be building Billy Bob a tiny home. Billy Bob has no job.
What is that?
Which means he can't afford a home.
What is he making? Cat, what the hell are you mailing? Is this how you make circles? I don't understand how to make circles. Guys, is this how you make
Billy Bob is kind of broke, so I've got to build him a house.
Billy Bob is kind of broke. What?
Billy Bob. I said Billy Bob.
Bro, Billy Bob?
I said Billy Bob.
Okay, please tell me if this is a circle or not. Please tell me, is this a circle or not?
Oh, I think that's how you make a circle.
Yeah, but it's not really working.
Well,
My
sucks
plan
to
to make a
suck,
literal
guys.
circle.
Life lessons with Climber. Sucks to suck.
Guys, this is all I can do. No, this is not.
Thank you.
This is
Thank you.
impossible. What? What? This is impossible. Oh, okay. I get it. What? I swear to God, I just. Okay, I get it.
Do you know the way?
Yeah, I think I know the way.
Can you show me?
I think I just have to do this infinite. Yeah, I'm done. How do you make this damn circle? Oh my God! I think you just need like a little block in it. Yeah, I just need like something by something.
Shoot.
Oh, I just realized they're there. No, that's not the Oh wait, this way. No.
Ah, my cheek. This will be the greatest collab ever.
Just gonna. No, it's not a collab, bro. It's just a video with. That's all.
Dude,
Right?
isn't that a collab?
Right, guys?
Isn't that a
Right?
collab, guys?
No, that's not.
I don't know.
No, actually, a collab is when two YouTubers get together in a video. Except not like this, because this is just
Expect the unexpected.
Like, they don't. Yeah, it's unexpected. Like they actually don't want any collab, but they just do it. So
I don't know, guys. Tell us in the comments.
Yeah, well, I kind of know. It's just we don't know if that's real yet.
My roof.
Gotta put this.
Dude, I don't know if
I'm
I'm
trying to make like a Ferris wheel. You don't know if you're what?
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it live until Christmas. And even then it's not a promise because I have to use my MetaQuest code thing.
So are you playing on Quest 3 or Quest 3?
Quest 3. In the easiest
Oh.
way.
Yeah. I actually kind of own the Quest 3. My dad bought it for my birthday. Like when I first got born, he bought it for me. Yeah, when I first got born, he bought it for me.
Oh my God, what quest do you buy you?
Quest 3, obviously.
Dude, you're
Like what I have right now.
How old are you?
Nah, I'm just kidding.
I hope you are.
I'm just saying. Yeah. Okay, wait. How am I supposed to do this?
I don't know.
How the hell am I supposed to make a Ferris wheel?
What the helly? What the helly, Auntie? What the helly, Burton? Wait, can you live stream?
I don't know how to. I only know how to in those those like live streams, and
Guys, we gotta show Evan how to live stream.
No, I know how to live stream. I only know how to be live. That's the
Now
thing.
get back
I don't
over
know
here.
how to live stream.
I'm
You
taking.
made it, bro. You made it on the worst core ever. You made it
No.
on the worst core ever.
No! I love
Okay, so I'm gonna quickly. I don't need.
What's my house
those,
parts?
but I definitely need those.
Former reef parts.
Now I just need to make a little tiny house. That's technically a computer. Oh my damn god. Oh my god, I forgot. You can't use teeth in Gorilla Tag. Bruh! No, I'm gonna remake one of my friend's builds.
Guys,
I don't know
guys,
if I have permission.
you stay there.
Wait.
Evan, you stay there. You stay there, Evan.
Guys, don't ask.
I need to talk to my
Guys,
audience.
don't ask. Why?
Just
Oh my god,
don't ask
bro.
why.
I forgot to switch my name to Evan VR. It's still
Okay, so guys, we have to force Evan to collab again. Got that? So go into Evan VR official, spam collab with Climber 89 again. Got that? Don't tell him.
Hey, yo, I can hear you.
Shut up!
I don't know how to collab. Dude,
You heard nothing. You heard nothing.
I did hear something. I heard you say, forced to collab. I heard you say that, buddy.
I said first.
Okay, well, chat.
I said first J-Man to collab.
No,
You guys
I
know that's
heard
it.
Evan VR official, bro. I heard Evan VR official, okay?
Don't know what you're talking
I
about.
know you're not playing. I know you're not playing with me. Also, I'm not Evan VR official. I'm 230 official. See, my name is 230. See, I'm
Evan,
not Evan VR. I'm 230.
I know where you live, Evan.
Evan VR is my brother. I'm playing on his account right now. Yeah.
You wouldn't mind if I unsubscribed then? Huh?
Okay, nah, I'm just kidding.
Exactly. So guys, I was right. You know what to do, guys. Show up to his house and bang, 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 if you know what I mean.
Okay.
You're nothing.
Okay, what's my I know, guys. I'm actually gonna unfriend you if you keep doing this sussy stuff, bro. If you keep doing this sussy stuff, I'm gonna actually unfriend you. That you don't want.
What the brain rot?
You just said a brain rot. I hate brain rot. I'm gonna run.
Can't run for me, Evan. Can't run for me, Evan.
Get you.
You know what, guys?
Get you. Oh, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this insane juke. 3.
Oh, it worked.
Alright, guys.
Yes! It just worked!
Guys, I think it's time for me to work out, guys. It's time for me to work out, guys. I need to work out and get strong and swole.
No, you don't, bro. You don't even want to.
Alright, guys, gotta go down here into my treadmill. My obstacle course.
I'm literally wall bouncing this whole map, bro. Oh, come on.
No! Alright, guys, I got strong and swole.
No,
Uh-huh. Me teeny house. Hey, back up! Drop my house! You son of a biscuit!
Bandit! Hey! Oh, wait, I forgot my mom's not home.
You have a mom.
Daddy! My friend being me! I'm leaving this game. I hate you. I'm leaving.
No. No, I'm leaving.
Why does it sound like we're both like in a call? Why does it sound like we're both in a call?
I mean, technically,
Cause my volume's up.
dude, 4th of July is tomorrow, I think. Wait,
What?
wait.
What? What?
Yo, tomorrow's 4th of July.
What?
Tomorrow I'm
What?
gonna be in a parade.
What? 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 How?
Cause
Why is my name still 230? I thought I switched it a minute ago. Yeah, it's Evan VR. Why is it 230?
dude, remember Emerald?
Oh, wait! You were that guy! Emerald! Yes! Yes! Him! Rowan! Yes! Rowan! That's him! It's Rowan! His name is Rowan. Yes, I remember him. Yes, he's one of my best friends. He's one of the first friends I met.
I'm not Rowan, but we met in Evan VR's. I mean, no, we met in Emeralds. I think.
Yes,
Yes, like in caves.
Yeah, and we built this, and we kept getting trapped in it because this was the only entrance and exit.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Oh wait, I think this is yours. I think you copied and pasted it.
Well, which one? That? No, that's not mine.
Oh,
Probably.
It's Rowan's and mine build, I think.
I think I remember Rowan.
Yeah, Rowan is the Emerald guy.
Oh yeah, I remember Rowan.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, mission
Emerald
accomplished.
guy.
I built Billy Bob's tiny little home. Step off my lawn.
Build-
Hey,
Okay, so he's a little grandpa, is he?
you come here.
Okay,
Come
bro,
here.
My battery is low. Bro, my battery is kind of low, so if I...
That means my battery percentage is dead.
Oh, okay. Should we wrap it up?
What does that mean?
Finish it. Finish the video.
What?
Should we finish the video?
Where's the video? Sure.
Alright,
Why
guys. That was the
This is the
video.
end of the video.
This is the end of the
That was the
video.
end of and make sure to
Wait, come here. Okay.
smash that like button and bye bye.
Alright, guys. Let me
You want to play
steal
Animal
Evan.
Company now?
Okay, so me and Evan are both
Okay,
gonna say
Animal
bye bye. Now, guys.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Make sure to
You
like and
want to play Animal-
subscribe to
Yes.
me and Evan VR. Bye bye, guys.
Hit that like button.